The definition of par excellence. The phrase par excellence is of French origin and means among the best of its kind, a degree of excellence, beyond comparison, preeminent, above all. Before we continue, a quick reminder: continually improve your English. Click the subscribe button, the bell icon, and then all. Par excellence can be used as an adjective or an adverb, although it's more commonly used as an adjective, and it usually comes after the noun or verb. In English, it's usually pronounced with a hybrid French accent, par excellence. Let's look at some examples. First, par excellence used as an adjective. In the picture, we see a front cover of a cookbook by Raymond Blanc. Sentence example: Celebrity chef Raymond Blanc has built his reputation as a French chef par excellence, promoting the use of seasonal fruit and vegetables to create the freshest dishes. Next, in the picture, we see the front cover of Dale Carnegie's bestseller. Sentence example: With over 30 million copies sold worldwide since it was published in 1936, Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People is the self-help book par excellence. Now let's see par excellence used as an adverb. In the picture, we see wild flowers growing in a field near the sea. Sentence example: Due to its moist, mild climate and rich soil, Ireland is, par excellence, a land of wild flowers. So in summary, to add variety to your English and take it to a more advanced level, instead of saying the best or number one, use the French phrase par excellence, which means among the best of its kind. Remember, it usually follows a noun or verb, and it's pronounced par excellence. Has this video helped you? Then like, share or comment now. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.